Hey guys, this is Nandan from Beta Console back with another video. To execute any program or code, you need IDE. Similarly, to execute C program, you need IDE called Turbo C. Today in this video, we'll see how to install Turbo C IDE. To download Turbo C, go to any one of your browser and search for Turbo C download. Click on this link. I'll give this link in the description. Click on the download button and it will redirect you to downloading screen. Wait for few seconds and it will start getting downloaded. Click on save. Wait for it to download. Once downloading is finished, go to that folder, and this is a zip file, so you need to extract it. Just right click on this, extract all. It will take few seconds. After getting extracted, open that folder. Double click on setup file. Here you have to follow some steps. Just click on next. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. Then install. Check this checkbox to launch the program. Start Turbo C++. Now Turbo C is installed on your computer. So that's it for today. Make sure you subscribe us for more such videos.